Just bro, you tripping, bro, putting the brush on your wrap for a scratch your car. Yeah, I know, man, but I'm currently in the process, bro. Probably taking this wrap off pretty soon. Oh, shoot. I'm in the process of getting this wrap taken off pretty soon, so I'm not really worried about the wrap anymore. I feel like it's just too many, bro. It's too many cars that's all black with chrome rims, bro. I don't look like everybody. I'm trying to look like everybody else. I want to be different, so I'll take the wrap off pretty soon, so I ain't really worried about the scratches on it.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish, back with another video. As y'all seen earlier in the clips, I was at the car wash getting my car clean because it had a whole bunch of like dust and dirt on it, and I just got tired of it looking like that. I know a lot of y'all probably like, bro, don't be using the brush on your car, but honestly, man, it's a wrap, so I really ain't tripping about it that much because it's a wrap. And I've been thinking about taking this wrap off my car for some time now, just for the simple fact that I feel like I've been seeing way too many BMWs and other cars with an all black wrap and some chrome rims. Like, that's literally like the wave right now. Like, everybody's going black, and if they don't go black, they go gray. And then I thought about going red, but I've been seeing too many red BMWs and other cars. Like, I don't know, man. And it's kind of tricky because my actual color of my car is gray. So like, when I take this wrap off, I don't know what color I'm gonna go next, but I do want to re-wrap my car. I'm just tired of this same old wrap. So that right there kind of checks off the box. Oh boy, oh boy, is that a Charger? That look like a Scat Pack. He wants no parts of this, buddy. You want no parts of this car. Please don't do it. I promise you. I promise y'all. This Scat Pack better not come zooming past me. I think that's a Scat. It gotta be a Scat, because he got this wrap on his car. I just know it's not a Scat. It is. It is a Scat. I knew it. 392. And he don't want no parts of this. He don't want no parts. I knew it. Oh, these people be scary. Oh no, here he come. Whew. Damn, they got putting this out there. Jam over there. Oh, he got put in that jam. We just cruising, man. We ain't doing too much. It's like, I noticed that in my last video, a lot of y'all actually like when I'm just burbling. I don't know why. A lot of y'all like when I'm burbling instead of me actually like doing pulls, which is crazy because I had somebody text me like, yo man, I love your vids, bro, especially when you burbling. So I guess that's what y'all want to see. But I need to get a radar ASAP, bro. Cause I would hate to get pulled over around this time, bro. All cause I'm downtown acting like I ain't got no sense. Let's give y'all a downshift though. Oops, my bad. Oops, I just hit y'all on my little thing. Oh, who car is that? No. See, the birds every time, bro. Like that's funny to be driving with. Driving with right there. It's like every single time I come downtown, I don't get no luck with another car. Bro got a burble tune. I don't know what. He might have been inside a comp though. He had to be inside a comp. Cause ain't no way. Bro had to be inside a comp. Ooh. Bro, it's like these streets be looking too perfect for me to just do a pull, and I swear I just know it's an officer somewhere creeping around here. It just look too good to be true. Like it just look too good to be true. Here goes 0 to 60 right here. There goes 0 to 60 for y'all. Oof, man. I cannot lie, I really love this car, bro. Like this is the most fun I've ever had in the car. Let me check my let's check my vehicle stats, make sure everything good stat wise. Let's see. Okay, yeah, my temperature's good. I had to make sure my temperature was good. Another one for y'all. Let's see. Oh, I know this street. We good. Roll the windows up. out my way. What I told you, police. I knew it. I'm just waiting for somebody to come over here, boy. Just wait. I cannot wait to get to my radar, man. Once I get that radar, I won't have no issue with like giving y'all better content. That's really what's really stopping me, because I'm just so scared to get pulled over. Because I'm not gonna lie, if I see lights, I'm not running. Like it's no point in running from the laws. I'm gonna pull over. And 9 times out of 10, they either gonna pull me over for 1, my exhaust, or 2, probably because I was speeding. And 9 times out of 10 is probably gonna be my exhaust before it's my speeding, because it be sometimes when I be driving and it feel like I'm speeding, or it look like I'm speeding and I'm not. It's just because my car is excruciatingly, is that even a word? It's excessively loud. Like it's OD loud, to the point where I don't think it should be that loud. But that's what come with this Beamer stuff, man. So come with this Beamer stuff. This is what people buy Beamers for, bro, to have fun. You know what I'm saying? Have fun. The car sound nice. Street. I'm just trying to find a good street to give y'all a pull before it get too hot, because I just know police be camping this spot. It's a BMW. You don't want no smoke. Oh, you don't want no smoke. Oh, you don't want no smoke with me. Please don't do it. Please. Matter of fact, please do it. Come on. You don't want no smoke. Don't do that, big dog. I was waiting for you to do it. Don't do that. I was waiting for you to do it. Don't do that. This ain't that, boy. What's wrong with him? I knew he was gonna do something crazy when I seen the back of his car. That's an XM4. Don't do that. This ain't no little boy. We get active. We get active. Yeah. Look, now you wanna cruise, yeah. Leave my car alone. Yo, leave my car alone, big dog. You don't want no smoke. Yo. Oh, that's an XM5. The X5, my bad. He didn't want to get active. He knew exactly what it was. That boy didn't want to get active with me. He didn't want to get active with me. Yeah. So we do the cars like that. I don't know what they got. Make them put their cars up, man.